Hi, my name is Luca, and I've been studying social science for 2 years. Social science is a vast program where a lot of subjects are seen throughout the years of this program. Although, the thing that interests me the most in this program and my field of study is psychology. For psychologists, it is hard to be there at all time of the day and every day of the week for the many patients a psychologist would have. It is even harder to give answers to a patient in need without an appointment or consultation. That is why there is a tool that can solve this problem for the good of the patients. I will now present a website that could help a lot in this kind of situation. I'm going to open a new tab at the top of the screen. I'm going to enter in the address bar the URL, which is psychcentral.com. PsychCentral is a site where you can research information about something in particular, like eating disorders, depression, or sex, for example. When scrolling down the page, you can see in the middle of the screen a menu with a couple of key disorders or diseases that we hear a lot recently. When searching in different categories, you will discover that there is always an article of a researcher that talks about the subject you are looking for. If you are looking for something more specific, the site gives many answers, tips, and explanation within the categories and ways you can overcome this problem. If you come back to the main menu, at the top of the screen on the right-hand side, there is a drop-down menu with all of the website's mental conditions, tests, and help from experts. In relation with our problem, there is another feature with this website that is very helpful for people with mental issues. If you go back to the main menu by right-clicking on the site's logo at the top of the screen on the right-hand side, you can see that the site offers ways to get help. By clicking on the blue tab at the top of the screen, you can see that online counseling is offered and a system that locates therapists near you. This feature will help a lot of people going through hard times. The site helps you find certified psychologists or instantly talk to a psychologist. It is a useful feature since it is sometimes hard for someone to find time to talk about their problems and get answers. This site provides instant answers and ways to get help. Let's say you are feeling depressed and it is the middle of the night. It is hard for someone to get help or to know what is going on with themselves. In that case, that person could easily go on the PsychCentral website and search for articles about depression in the menu at the top of the screen on the right-hand side. That person could go read about depression to find out what the person is going through and find ways to overcome his or her problem. That person could also take a test to know the specificities of his depression in the same menu. Those informations and treatments could help the person to go out of depression or to calm the depression while the person waits for his appointment with a therapist that he found on the PsychCentral system. A psychologist could recommend this website for some patients that are prone to seek help or answers at any time. This is how this website can be useful in a work environment of a psychologist. I hope this video was useful, and I suggest using this website because it is simple and it works perfectly. Thanks for watching.